I want to say something quickly about Ivan Allen Jr. I'm studying international affairs, but strangely, I love local affairs so much, and I study in my free time, read books, read the news. And Ivan Allen Jr., I read a book, most of it was about him, and it's just amazing to think that this is the Ivan Allen Jr. Legacy Award, and I don't think he was a man who really focused too much on his legacy. If he wanted fame and wanted success and wanted a lot of recognition, I don't think he would have done what he did, which was very courageous, very bold, and somewhat controversial things for the time. And of course, if he didn't do what he did as mayor, if he didn't testify before Congress in favor of civil rights, there's a story of him standing on top of a police car to try to calm rioters. That's a dangerous thing. That's something that someone who is very unselfish would do. And all these things he did as mayor inspire me, and to try to not to seek a legacy, but to seek to help others just as he did. So I hope everyone at Ivan Allen College can learn more about him as they go about. They may not know the great man that their college is named after, but there's a lot of inspiration there, and there's also a charge on how we should act as alumni from this school.